Are you a Filipino citizen with a good moral background, mentally and physically fit, and with a good normal vision? Well, an NBI agent is best suited for you. Kindly watch the full length of this video and we will teach you on how to become an NBI agent. A National Bureau of Investigation agent is a job that pursues the advocacy of bringing peace and order in the country. With the joint forces of police agencies, they team up to investigate and solve crimes in many forms. You may be wondering if you are physically and mentally qualified, right? Well, here are the list of job description, qualifications, and benefits they are looking for. The applicants must be a graduate from the NBI Academy upon their training. For qualifications, applicants must be a Filipino citizen with excellent physical and mental health, liable for good moral character, must be a lawyer or CPA with at least 5'5" height for men and 5'3" height for women, with a good normal vision, at least 25 to 35 years of age, free from any criminal issues and liabilities, and are willing to be deployed anywhere in the country. For additional qualifications for special investigators, must be a baccalaureate degree holder, an eligibility document for civil service examination, and must be a board passer with general weighted average of 84% with no failing grades in TOR. For benefits, for special investigators, monthly salary is 32,000 pesos, while 18,000 pesos for entry-level NBI agents. Available with 13-month pay, free trainings, job security, and an opportunity to team up with the NBI. Here are the documents to be prepared: diploma, transcript of records, eligibility for bar exam, birth certificate, marriage contract, community tax certificate, residential certificate, personal data sheet, 2 pieces 2x2 pictures, NBI and police clearances, court clearances, SALN, and internal tax revenue. If you are one of the passers from the screening, 20 weeks will be allotted for your training at the National Bureau of Investigation Academy. Well, are you thrilled? So what are you waiting for? Apply now and invest yourself at your dream career. For clarifications and additional information, kindly see the description box below. Thank you for watching, and for more updates, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this to your friends who might show some interest. For this has been ExpertistTV Flush Update.